Hello food lovers, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are baking something easy. No egg, no fat, but still so tasty. Since it's fall, we keep on with the pumpkin recipes. Today we are making chocolate chips pumpkin buns. I've used cinnamon for this recipe, but you can replace it with gingerbread spices or vanilla. You can even try using nutmeg for the more adventurous of you. I found them so cute. The most impressive for me is how soft they are. To be honest, I thought they were gonna be dry since I've used no fat. But the pumpkin obviously made a really great job by maintaining this dough well hydrated. Anyway, bon appétit! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. I'll be uploading more content soon. You can subscribe if you want to see more of my recipes. Thank you for watching me. À plus!